Good day everyone, my name is Ivan Jake M. Solidarios and my topic is Consideration from L2 Learning Theory and Learning Oriented Assessment. Introduction. Learning a second language, L2, involves multiple factors that affect how learners acquire and use the language. Effective teaching and assessment should consider these factors to support students' growth and language use. Consideration from L2 Learning Theory. Learning is influenced by cognitive factors. Learners create inter-language and learn best through understandable input and language output. From cognitive perspective, learners develop an interlanguage, which is a temporary language system that evolves over time. Learners acquire language more effectively when they receive comprehensible input and are given chances to produce output, allowing them to test and refine their understanding. Active factors: motivation, confidence, and anxiety affect participation and progress. Affective factors such as motivation, confidence, and anxiety strongly influence language learning. When learners feel motivated and confident, they participate more actively, while high anxiety can block language use and slow down progress. Socio-cultural factors. Interaction and cultural understanding enhance communication skills. So, communicating with others, working in groups, and understanding cultural meanings help learners use language more naturally and appropriately in real-life situations. Linguistic factors. L1, transfer and frequency of language patterns impact learning. Implication: teachers should provide meaningful interactive tasks, feedback, and opportunities for collaboration and self-directed learning. Making assessment learning oriented. Assessment should support learning, not just measure language. The key principles is transparency, regular feedback, and active student involvement. The methods is quizzes, writing drafts, projects, reflection, and peer self-assessment. The benefits is encourage deep learning, reduce anxieties, and develop autonomous learners. L2 application focus on practical use of language, fluency, and goal setting. The conclusion is L2 learning theory explains how learners acquire language, while learning-oriented assessment helps students grow and apply their language. Combining both improves teaching effectiveness and fosters confident, independent learners. That's all for today. Thank you, ma'am.